Alright, awesome. We're back. So it's Guide on Cars, thank you, and Stephen Bradford, thank you for being part of the Let's Go crew. Let's go, guys. Do it every day. We got our weight vest. It's about 42 pounds. We got this guy's a little more than 17. It's about 60 pounds here. We're going to be doing these squats. I don't think we got quite... It was better to turn it. We're doing this a little later in the day. It was better to turn the camera angle this way just to light my face a little better, but now this symbol's in the way here. Let's see if I got enough room. Scooch back a little bit here. This bar's fucking heavy, dude. Here, let's give about right there. Yeah. So let's just scooch this guy a little bit more. Alright. And let's do it, guys. Alright, let's see if we can get some good reps. Last time we did 9. I think 9 is fine again today, but if we feel like we're doing more, we're going to do more. Let's just see how we feel. Okay, so feet are a good distance apart. Let's come down, see if we got all our angles right, see if it feels good. And not bad, not bad. We'll see how it feels coming up. Alright, so here we go. 1. Alright. There we go. 2. 3. Definitely not the best day here for energy. 4. It's not terrible, but not the best. 5. My back definitely feels tired. So 6. Maybe like a 50% day there. So definitely, let's do 7. 7. And let's just do 8. Last time we did 9. Let's just do 8 this time. Again, we want to increase slowly. And part of that is you're not shooting for your max every time. Right, you establish a max. And then you can do these 60% days, 80% days, alternate. And then you shoot a new max. You don't want to be right up against what your max is all the time, or you're going to be injuring yourself. Now, we didn't push ourselves to our max in our weighted squats. So that's good. We have a chance to do some unweighted squats here and really just stretch ourselves out here. This is a much easier exercise. 60 pounds off is a huge load off. And now we can just sort of concentrate on making sure we're getting a full exercise here. We're keeping our head good, and we can burn out our cardio, right? And I'd like to do something like this on push-up day too. Maybe do some Joshees on push-up day. But last time, man, we didn't get very far with the weighted, so I didn't want to do a bunch of unweighted when the weighted weren't that great. So we'll see how we do against our maxes, and we're going to remain flexible, and we'll keep working on it, guys. I'm telling you guys, a little bit of exercise every day really does add up to a lot. Make it a habit, make it easy. If you made it this far, hit the magical subscribe button up there, go down there, hit the bell button, choose all. Get positive energy in your YouTube inbox every day. See you guys next time right here on Daily Commitment. Bye, guys.